Welcome back. Whether it's a job interview or meeting your significant other's parents, you want to make a good first impression. So I asked the founder of Old Soul Etiquette to help us on presenting our best selves.
Good morning, Nashville. My name is Mariah Grumet. I am a New York City-based certified etiquette trainer and founder of Old Soul Etiquette. Here are 5 tips to help you ensure you are making the ultimate first impression. Number 1, enter a room boldly. Don't forget your eye contact and a warm smile to acknowledge those already in the room. And avoid letting your head hang in your phone. Number 2, dress how you want to be addressed. Number 3, speak about the things that make you memorable and unique. Number 4, give yourself an energy check before you enter any room. Positive energy is contagious, but negative energy can be too. And number 5, practice those active listening skills so the people you are meeting feel valued and heard. Thank you for watching, and go feel confident introducing yourself.
I adore this lady.
I love that.
Y'all,
I love her.
I feel like she's like my good friend.
Yeah.
She's on social media on Instagram and she has these wonderful tips. Anything from going into a room to doing an interview to how to prepare your house for company.
And how true is that, though, that your energy, whether it's positive or
Exactly.
negative, is catching?
It is. It makes a difference when you walk into a room. She's great. Follow her on social media.
Yes.
For sure. All right, so if you're a bit of an expert, like she is, or you have a life hack you think people should know about, just email us right here at letmehelp@newschannel5.com.